Hello everyone, welcome to another FC or EAFC 24 video tutorial and guide. In this tutorial, it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to change your EAFC 24 club name. Now, this is going to be a guide. Subscribe for more videos just like this on our channel. So let's get started. So as you can see, first of all, what you want to do is you want to start on the Ultimate Team homepage, and you'll basically see your shortcuts drop down menu on the left along with every major menu location listed across the top. So this is what basically you're going to do. You'll need to enter the settings. From there, as you can see, you will need to use RB or R1 button to tab over the far right side of the menu until you reach the settings tab, which is that I showed you right here. From there, you need to click and enter your settings menu. And as you can see, ignore the club section, even if it seems like an option to change the club name should be there. It's not, right? It's not. So from here, you'll be able to be on screen with three menu options. You have playtime, matchmaking, and rename club. Make sure to go on rename club, as you can see right here. Here you can actually click rename club, and basically here, as you can see, you will be able to rename your club, and then you will be able to confirm the club name right here, right? So it's very easy, right? So this is basically how you can rename your club and select a new abbreviation for the club as well. And then all you have to do is just click confirm club name, and that is pretty much it. You'll be able to rename your club. So again, as you can see, you can use your RB and R1 buttons to tab over to the far side of the menu until you reach the settings tab and click on it. And then obviously ignore the club section and make sure to go to the rename club right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can rename club name on or change club name on EAFC 24. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.